The growing demand for outdoor adventures has sparked an incredible rise in popularity for high-performance wilderness gear, capturing the attention of everyone from rugged survivalists and weekend hikers to tech-savvy typists and indoor gamers seeking an escape into nature.
Product number 1. Otoland Camping Cookware, Stove, Carabiner, Canister Stand Tripod, and Stainless Steel Cup, Tank Bracket, Fork Spoon Kit. The Otoland Camping Cookware Stove Kit stands out as a brilliantly comprehensive all-in-one solution for backpackers who want a complete setup right out of the box. Beyond the core anodized aluminum pot and pan, this bundle includes a portable folding mini stove, a stable canister stand tripod, a stainless steel cup with a protective sleeve, a tank bracket, and a full fork and spoon kit. The inclusion of the stabilizing tripod base addresses a major outdoor cooking hazard by preventing accidental tipping on uneven terrain. The build quality utilizes lightweight, hard anodized aluminum that conducts heat rapidly and withstands rough trail conditions. Every component nests compactly into a single drawstring mesh pouch, making it an exceptional value package for solo hikers or minimalist backpackers who refuse to hunt down individual accessories.
Product number 2. Aliexpress Camping Cookware Set, Camping Gear, Compact Camping Pots and Pan Set. Designed for adventurers who prioritize durability and thermal efficiency, the Aliexpress Camping Cookware Set delivers a robust performance package without weighing down your pack. Constructed from high-grade hard alumina, the pots and pans feature superior scratch resistance and uniform heat distribution, preventing the frustrating hotspots that often burn meals over open flames or compact gas burners. The set includes a compact pot, frying pan, and matching lids, all engineered with fold-away insulated handles that stay cool to the touch and lock securely during use. Its sleek, space-saving nesting layout allows you to slide fuel canisters or small stoves directly inside the main cavity. For backpackers and campers looking for a resilient, long-lasting cooking system that balances professional-grade material strength with lightweight portability, Aliexpress offers unbeatable utility.
Product number 3. THT Wybros 17-piece Camping Cookware Kit, 0.45-gallon pot, 7 inches pan, and 0.30-gallon kettle set. If your outdoor excursions involve cooking for a small group or companion, the THT Wybros 17-piece kit offers an expansive setup that punches well above its weight class. This kit features a generous 0.45-gallon main pot, a 7-inch frying pan, and a dedicated 0.30-gallon kettle, allowing you to boil water for coffee while simultaneously simmering a hot meal. The kit also includes 2 sets of stainless steel cups, plates, forks, knives, and spoons, effectively transforming any patch of dirt into a functional dining area. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum with heat-resistant silicone handle grips, it ensures safe and efficient food preparation. Despite its large component count, the ingenious interlocking design collapses seamlessly into a compact mesh carry bag, providing exceptional value for group hikers and family campers.
Product number 4. Fire Maple Fix Star 1 Backpacking and Camping Stove System. The Fire Maple Fix Star 1 is a masterclass in high-efficiency integrated cooking technology, heavily inspired by elite mountaineering gear. This system features a dedicated 0.8-liter cooking pot with an integrated heat exchanger ring on the bottom, which captures maximum thermal output from the burner and slashes boiling times by up to 30% in windy conditions. The burner screws securely into the base of the pot, creating a rock-solid, wind-resistant cooking unit that locks together safely. Everything, including a small fuel canister and the stove base, nests neatly inside the pot itself. While it is a specialized system rather than a multi-pan cooking set, its incredible fuel efficiency, rapid boil time, and compact profile make it an elite choice for backpackers, trekkers, and emergency preparedness kits.
Product number 5. Sensart Ceramic Cookware Sets, 14-piece Induction Cookware. Bringing home kitchen luxury directly to base camps and modern car camping setups, the Sensart 14-piece ceramic cookware set introduces a remarkably healthy, non-toxic cooking experience. Crafted with a natural ceramic non-stick surface entirely free of PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, this set lets delicate foods like eggs and pancakes slide right off with minimal oil. Built on a durable die-cast aluminum body with an enhanced induction-compatible base, it heats up rapidly and evenly. The comprehensive 14-piece configuration includes versatile frying pans, sauté pans with lids, casseroles, saucepans, silicone utensils, and clever pot protectors. While it is tailored more towards spacious car camping, RV travel, or glamping, rather than ultralight backpacking trails, its superior non-stick performance and effortless cleanup make it a stellar value for outdoor enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on culinary comfort.
Product number 6. Mallow Meat Camping Cookware Mess Kit for Backpacking Gear. The Mallow Meat Camping Cookware Mess Kit is a legendary favorite among scouts, minimalist backpackers, and budget-conscious outdoor explorers. Built around a durable 1-liter anodized aluminum pot with a matching pan lid, this 10-piece kit includes essential accessories like BPA-free bowls, a folding stainless steel spork, a soup spoon, and a wooden spatula. The entire kit is designed to collapse into a remarkably small, lightweight bundle that easily clips onto the outside of a tactical pack or slips inside a bug-out bag. The non-toxic aluminum construction conducts heat efficiently, while the foldable handles feature heat-resistant plastic coatings to protect your fingers. It strikes the ultimate balance of simplicity, reliability, and extreme affordability, making it a must-have piece of entry-level wilderness gear.
Choosing the right camping cookware comes down to matching your gear configuration to your specific travel style, whether that means packing an ultralight integrated stove system for solo treks or a multi-piece non-stick set for group base camps. Evaluate your menu planning, check out the links in the description, and gear up with the ultimate camp kitchen setup for your next adventure.